Hello guys, welcome back to the Toys Lover channel. How are you? Hopefully you are doing fine. You're all is good and healthy guys. Hopefully, I mean, okay. Now, on this video, I will trying to review the Diecast motorcycle. The scale is a 1 of 12 scale. And then this item also I've been waiting long time, guys.
Oh my god!
So same if you take a look for my video content with the ZX636, it's the same process, it's the same order. So now I will review with this different model or different item guys. Okay, let's check this out again guys. Okay, this is the box guys, and then just information for you. So I purchased this same like ZX636. I purchased with the loose item, so without any box original, but it's fine for me. Okay guys, let's take a look for the diecast. Ooh, oh my god, and then you can see the package very secure, right? Okay, and then there is a red bubble in here. I really like it. I really like it. Okay. Oh, you already know what item is this? Of course you know guys. Ooh, Z800. Cool. Okay, we can take a look from the closer. Okay, this one guys, I will cut this one first and then let's unbox this item. Oh, you can see the tires. You can see the tires guys. Oh, this is very good guys. God, oh my god, this is Kawasaki Z800 issued by Automaxx guys. Okay, let's review guys, and then I will zoom it for you. Oh god, very nice. The mixed color between the black and then the orange is very good guys. Okay, we can go through the machine. If you take a look, it's very details, right? So there is a silver in here, and then for the head cylinder is same like the real bike guys, I think. Okay, and then for the pipe from the head cylinder going through the exhaust guys, it's pretty details as well. Ooh, Automaxx is really good guys. Okay, and then we going through the swing arm. There is a caliper in here. For the tires, rear tires of course can be spin. Okay, it's very good. For the rims is a black color guys. You can see it, right? Okay, it's very good, it's very nice. If you can see it, there is a body in here, and then mixed color between the orange and then with the black, glossy black. It's very nice guys. Black metallic, I mean. Okay, it's very good, you can check. And then there is a logo for Z800 in there guys. Ooh, it's very nice. For the front seat, the material from the plastic, and then also for the passenger seat, there is a body in here, so only single seater in here guys. You can check, yeah. And then this is the color is glossy black, glossy guys, so glossy. Okay, and then the tail body is very good, it's very nice. The finishing is very good, I love it guys. Okay, and then the rear fender can check, there is a logo of Kawasaki in there as well. It's very cool. And then the headlamp is very nice as well, guys. Okay, we're going through the front side. If you can take a look, oh, it's very good, guys. So details. And then the headlamp, if you can check, the mirror glass, I mean, it's very good, right? Nice. And then for the upside down, if you can take a look, it's very good as well. And then the front tires, it can spin, and the material same from the rubber. And then for the double disc, you can check, it's so detailed as well, guys. It's amazing. The other side, you can take a look again. Oh, nice. Very nice, guys. Very nice, very good, very awesome. All is very, guys. Okay, we're going through the cockpit. There is a speedometer. It's so detailed as well. There is some number in there mentioned for the indicator. Looks great. Driving can be left side and then the right side. Okay, we can check a look for the suspension, guys. The suspension can be moved, can be adjusted, as you can see it. For the chain is very detailed as well. You can check it. Oh, I really love it, guys. Okay, it's very nice. For the stand holder, there is a stand holder as well. You can check. It's very good. And then, just so you know, I purchased this item on AliExpress online. I purchased this approximately $20 US, guys. But you get the loose item without the original box. But I think it's no problem, no worries, guys. It's worth it if you purchase this even without any original box, because the shape is very detailed, the material is very good. Worth it to you if you want to collect this, guys. Okay, I think it's enough from me. So hopefully you guys enjoy from my video. So stay healthy, stay safe. Bye, guys.